Although continuing our CoinCatch tutorials, we'll cover deposits, withdrawals, and trading proofs. Find the link on our trading robot site in the video caption. In the education section, access the CoinCatch tutorial. Part 1 compared exchanges, Part 2 covered bonuses, and Part 3 explained mobile trading. Let's discuss deposits, withdrawals, and trading proofs. This tutorial is due to requests, as there's no Persian version. The link is up there. On our website, you'll find the tutorial. I explained CoinCatch's advantages, bonuses, and mobile trading details. Now, deposits, withdrawals, and proofs. This is the only version requested by many. I trade here. Currently trading 48 Ethereum, $166,000 total, $1,150 profit. Shared on YouTube, Instagram, risk assessed on target. I talked about setting targets and stop losses. Now, the main topic. CoinCatch exchange tutorial for deposits and withdrawals. I've made a separate CoinCatch account to keep it distinct from my personal one. You've seen my live trades. I'm trading 48 Ethereum, totaling $166,000 with a profit of $1,150. I share these trades on YouTube and Instagram. Risk is assessed and on target. Now, the CoinCatch tutorial on deposits and withdrawals. In assets, find your wallet. Use deposit to add funds or withdraw to take them out. Choose the coin. Let's focus on the CoinCatch exchange tutorial for deposits and withdrawals. Use a separate account for clarity. Click Assets to access your wallet. To deposit or withdraw, use Deposit to add funds and withdraw to remove them. Choose a coin, typically UST or USDT, and select a network, BP, Binance Smart Chain, Holocaine, Solana, Arbitrum, or Tron. Common choices are TRC20, ERC, or BP, depending on your source. Click on Assets. To access your asset area, use Deposit to add funds and withdraw to take funds out. It asks which coin to deposit, usually USDT. Choose a network, BP, Binance Smart Chain, Holocaine, Solana, Arbitrum, or Tron. I want to deposit from Wallex exchange, so I go to my wallet. A VPN might be needed for Iranian exchanges, but not for CoinCatch, though they recommend it for safety. I select USDT, and it asks, various networks like BP, Binance Smart Chain, Holocaine, Solana have lower fees. We use these. We use TRC20, ERC, or BP. Selection depends on your exchange or wallet. I'm depositing from Wallex. I go to Wallet in Assets. Nobitex or Tether is similar. VPN might be needed for Iranian exchanges. CoinCatch doesn't need VPN, but suggests it. I want to deposit from Wallex. Going to Wallet in Assets. Nobitex or Tether accounts are similar. We might need a VPN for Iranian withdrawals, but that's okay. CoinCatch doesn't need a VPN, but suggests it for safety. Now, to the withdrawal section. Turning off VPN to speed up this Iranian exchange. Refresh the page, then VPN back on to return to CoinCatch. It does not matter to Iran, but why would they do such a thing? I'm going to the withdrawal section now. I'll turn off my VPN to see if it speeds up the process for this Iranian exchange. Let's refresh the page. And then I'll turn my VPN back on to go back to CoinCatch. I'm picking up a coin. I'm choosing a coin. I'm choosing a tether. I'm ready 32 or BSC has lower fees. Transfer fee 0.8 Tether for TRC20. With BSC, enter the wallet address and withdrawal amount. I'll turn my VPN back on and go to CoinCatch. We chose BSC. Copy this wallet address. Paste the address. It asks if you want to deposit into your proof or UST wallet. CoinCatch lets you specify $100 or $500 to futures account. You select BSC, and it asks for the destination wallet address and the amount you want to withdraw. Now I'll turn on my VPN to access CoinCatch and select BSC. Let's copy this wallet address. Paste the address here. It asks to deposit into proof or UST wallet. This is a good feature of CoinCatch. Usually, exchanges give a wallet for deposits, then you transfer to futures. Here, specify $100 or $500 to go into futures. It asks if you want to deposit into proof or UST wallet. Usually, exchanges give a wallet for deposits. Then you transfer to futures account. Here, specify $100 or $500 in futures account. Choose proof or futures wallet. I choose proof wallet, copy address. Return to Iranian exchange. Turn off VPN. For withdrawal, 100 Tether. Submit request. Choose Proof, Wallet, or Futures. I'm copying the address, and it says not to send less than 0.1 tether and to pay attention to the network. Now, let's go back to my Iranian exchange and turn off the VPN. Again, we're fighting against global imperialism, so we have to keep turning our VPN on and off. For the withdrawal amount, let's say 100 tether, and then I submit the withdrawal request. The confirmations need us to do something. Just give us a moment. We'll make this bigger, so we can hit the confirmation button, and then we'll be back with you. Okay. First, we receive the email. $61.67, enter the Google two-step code, 2804904. Withdrawal completed. I'll update when it arrives. Let's refresh. Check the deposit. It went from 180 to 280. Deposit tutorial. Withdrawal tutorial. Straightforward. Withdrawing was easy. Let's wrap up. Link in the video caption. Trading, proof, and futures tutorials. Reconnect VPN. Added layer should work. Once it appears, I'll show you. Withdrawal tutorial. Straightforward, easy withdraw. See withdraw top right. Means taking money out. Click see page like deposit, but for withdrawal. Ask what to withdraw. I choose USDT. Ask network. I choose Binance Smart Chain or BP20. This is the deposit tutorial. Let's check the withdrawal tutorial. It's simple. I'll close the video and put it on the CoinCatch tutorials page. The link is in the video caption. Next, I'll cover trading, proof, and futures tutorials. To withdraw, click withdraw at the top right. You'll see a page like the deposit page, but for withdrawal. I choose USDT and Binance Smart Chain or BP20. Ensure your VPN is on. You need the deposit wallet address, which I'll show. Hit deposit and your account will load if the VPN is on. Withdraw top right option is for taking money out. Click withdraw to a similar page as deposit. But here for withdrawal, it asks what to withdraw. I choose USDT. It asks which network to use. I choose Binance Smart Chain or BP20. It asks for the address. To deposit to Wallex, ensure VPN is on. I will show the deposit address. Hit deposit to load account with VPN on. Set coin deposit to Binance Smart Chain. It gives address. I copy and paste. It asks withdrawal amount. Withdraw same amount, 100. It asks, what? Address to enter. To deposit to Wallex, ensure your VPN is on. Click deposit to load your account with VPN on. Set to Binance Smart Chain. Copy and paste the address. Enter withdrawal amount. Withdraw 100. 99.721 arrives. Network fee applies. Confirm. Enter confirmations. Enter email. We're setting it to Binance Smart Chain. It provides the address, which I copy and paste. It asks how much you want to withdraw. This was the withdrawal tutorial. It says 99.721 will reach you, a small network fee. I say okay, that's fine. Then it sends confirmations, which I enter. First, enter the email, then use Google Authenticator. Security is tight, so set this up, as losing assets shows its importance. CoinCatch really knows what they're doing in this area. It says 99.721. It will be a two-network service. I say, okay, the solution is good. He sends me a series of confirmations, and I will give you these confirmations now. We will send an email. We will give his email first. Then we hit Google Authenticator. The security on CoinCatch is insane, and you really need to set this up, guys. Because if you ever lose all your assets, you'll realize how important security is. CoinCatch really knows what they're doing in this area. There's one more thing, the fund password. It's for withdrawals. I'll enter it with your permission. Then we'll continue. Making deposits and withdrawals is easy. Start with a small amount to get familiar, then deposit the main amount. Yes, I agree. This has come together. It took about the same time to settle down again in the destination wallet. With this ease, making deposits and withdrawals isn't hard at all. Once you do it once, you'll get the hang of it. If you want to start, go in with a small amount. If you want to deposit $100, maybe move $5 around to get familiar with the system, and then you can deposit the main amount. But we started from here to learn.